Trooper, what are you doing? Are you eating the box? Trooper, hey, look over here. Look at all that. Look at that big mess you're making. My goodness. Are you going to clean it up? No, of course not. Yeah? Are you going to clean it up? No. Hi, sweetie. Hey, Trooper. That's my boy. Yeah. Move back over and finish. Hmm? You're gonna get help from Guy. Yeah. Guy. Who's that?